In this video, you're going to learn about the #1 SEO tool called Rankmath. If you've never heard of this, you're in for an amazing surprise. It beats Yoast SEO hands down. You definitely want to watch this. Everything is included, and I can't wait to show you. Let's get going. Now, if you've never heard of Rankmath, just like me, not long ago I found out about this plugin, and it's just amazed me how incredible and easy it is to start with this. It's a free WordPress plugin, and it's for your SEO. It's SEO friendly content, and it's going to rank you higher in Google's search results. It's amazing. It's completely free. You can download it directly on WordPress. So if you've got your own online shop or a website, a blog, anything like that, all you do is download the plugin and you're ready to go. Now, Rankmath is different to all other SEO tools out there, because if you're still doing SEO manually, it's time to change that. Rankmath automates your WordPress SEO. It helps you optimize everything on your website or your blog or your shop. It optimizes everything. It's amazing. I can't wait to show you how to use this. So you might be thinking, what's included with Rankmath? Why should you get it over Yoast SEO or other SEO optimization tools? To be honest, it would take a while to tell you all about what is included in Rankmath. Virtually everything is included. I don't know how these guys have done it, but they've got everything in this tool for you to use. Everything from SEO analysis, advanced SEO optimization, keyword optimization, rich snippets, XML sitemaps, breadcrumb navigation, redirection manager. It's got a Google Search Console integration, local SEO, advanced WooCommerce SEO, and so much more. Let's get going. So here I am on the WordPress plugins dashboard, and I'm going to search for Rankmath. And it's going to appear on the left here. Here we go, WordPress SEO plugin Rankmath. So now all I do is click install, and then wait a few seconds, and then you want to activate it. There we go, it's installed, and then you activate it. And then you'll see this page, and you want to click on free Rankmath account right here to create a free account so you can start using this amazing plugin. And then I'm going to use an email address, and then all you do is put in your name, an email, and click on register. So then you want to go and find this email that Rankmath has sent you, and scroll down and you will see your username and password right here. So copy these, make a note of those, and then just click on login. And it will take you into your Rankmath account. Now I'm not going to stay here, so I'm going to come out of here and I'm going to head back to WordPress. So I'm going to close that, go back here, and then you want to log in with your username and password right here. And then click on Activate Rankmath. And here we go. This is the setup wizard. So all you have to do now is click on Start Wizard, and it will take you through the entire setup of Rankmath, and it'll do everything for you. So let's do that. Let's click on Start Wizard. And here it gives you the option to import your data from Yoast SEO if you've been using it. And this is amazing. It does everything for you. So you just click on Start Import, or if you haven't been, just click on Skip, and that's fine. Now I am going to do this because I've been using Yoast, and as you can see, it's importing all my data, doing all automatically for me. And there we go, all done. Now click on Continue, and this is where you can choose a few things about you, about your business, what it is. So is it a web shop, the business type, organization, and your company name, anything like that. You can click here to learn more, and as you can see, you can choose what your business is about. It's as simple as that. Go through these and select what it is that you're about, your business, and what you do. And then when you're done, click Save and Continue to go to the next step. And this is the Google Search Console. So you now need to just log into your Google to get an authorization code, and then you put it in here. So just log in with your Google account that you want to use. So this is the code that I want. I'm just going to highlight all of this and copy it by clicking here. Or you can right click and copy it, and then paste that in there and it'll automatically authorize. There we go, perfect. And all done. You want to make sure your website is in this box right here, and that's all good. So now save and continue. And it will take you to this bit, sitemap, and I'm just going to leave everything here as it is, so you can either skip or save and continue. And then you've got SEO tweaks, and this can be slightly useful if you know what you're doing here. You've got a tag and archives, you've got no follow image file, things like that. I would just leave this as it is. You don't need to change anything here. And you're done. Your site is ready. And you're going to get this little message and you can share it. You've got it'll proudly show your SEO score and things like that. Now you can set up advanced options, or you can return to dashboard. I would just recommend going return to dashboard. That's what I'm going to do. So now I'm on the dashboard, and first I'm going to get rid of some of these notifications by just clicking the cross, and then so now actually you're on the Rankmath page because you've just installed it. And here we go, you've got Rankmath here, and we're on dashboard. So you can see you've got a few different tools here. So you've got the 404 monitor, and you can turn these on by just selecting this switch here. And at the moment the status is inactive, and you've got so much that you can do here. You've got link counter, local SEO, and Google graph, rich snippets, search console. You've got all kinds of things, and we're going to go through each of. We're not going to go through all of these settings, but you've got these settings on the left here. So just be aware you've got things like titles and meta. So if we go here and have a look, this is the global meta. So this means it's kind of like everything to do. It's like the backstage of your website or your blog. So if we go down here, you've got all kinds of things, posts, pages, you've got capitalized titles. Let's go to local SEO, and this basically means who you are, what your business is about. So you've got your logo, email, the address, business type, the opening hours, phone number. So inputting all of this really helps your SEO. So you want to, such as this about page, if you click on here, and I'm going to type in about, it should come up. Here we go. So doing things like this boosts your SEO. It helps Google know what your website is about, so it comes up in search results when someone searches for anything to do with your business. So doing this really helps. Next is the social. So here you can put in your links to your different social platforms that you use, such as Facebook, Twitter, Google, anything here. They've got all kinds of things like LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. So if you use any of these, make sure you put in your social platform link in here. So having your social platforms on your website, obviously it boosts people going to your website. It grows your audience, so it's definitely worth doing. I'm now going to go to pages and all pages, and in here you've also got the Rankmath SEO settings. You can see it gives you a preview of what it looks like when someone finds you on Google. You can use a focus keyword, so this is something that you definitely want to do. This is what people search for in Google, something that you want to focus on to do with your business or your brand or what you're selling or anything like that. If you don't know what any of this means, you can scroll over the question marks and it'll tell you what everything is about, which is really useful. Rankmath really is, it's one of the best tools I've come across for SEO. We've just started using it for Daft Giraffe. This is our brand, and it's working really well. People are finding us on Google, and they're organically searching for products that we sell, such as shelving or home decor, and they're finding our website and they're coming to our shop and looking around it. So it's working. It's amazing. Rankmath have a knowledge base, so if you want to learn, I definitely urge you to learn all about Rankmath using their knowledge base, because to tell you everything would take hours and hours and hours. So that's there for you. I hope this video's helped you. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Theo. I'll see you in the next video.